Happy Max. Bonjour, hello, welcome to MaxMountainWorld. It's time for an unboxing. Alright, let's go on full attack. Could have done it the easy way. Oh well, whatever. Oh no. And I've got a box of rolled up paper. There's some more. Okay, so that's the packaging. And being put together kind of well, and that was doing nothing. Oh, it was. It's like one of these, well, you know, the Chinese dolls, because inside there's more packaging. Oops, hope I'm not broken it. There's the clue. So yeah. Happy Max. So, quick explanation. I was intending before the year's finished to upgrade my stuff for my videos on YouTube a little bit. First thing to do was I was going to find a replacement for my laptop computer. My laptop computer sorted that itself. It broke, it blew up, it stopped. And I had to buy another one, get used to the new operating system, Windows 11, get used to the new editing program that I had to download for it, and various other things as well. But now that I have the new machine, it's more than capable of handling a better camera. I've done over 1100 videos with my Panasonic camcorder, and it's still going to keep going. It's just have a few quirks and little annoyances about it recently, so I figured the best thing to do is to upgrade to something that would be a sports camera as well as a general camera. And I think with the GoPro, the only downside of GoPros is you don't have the same zooming thing, but I still have the Panasonic for that. So what I've got here is the GoPro 12, but it's the Creator Edition, which comes with all sorts of goodies in it, which when I've been looking and looking around for this, it's absolutely ideal for what I want. So that's it. I'm going to have a look at the packaging here. I'll share that on cam, and we'll see from there. I'll probably do my first video. This is a Friday afternoon, and got the weekend to play around with this, so I'll be doing my next video, I reckon, with this, just to test it out and see how things happen. Apparently all the reviews online are absolutely fantastic, so thanks for watching. Here's what it's all about. I've just shifted this over for better light. It's a beautiful sunny day here today, so yeah, it's got a carry case thing. I don't know what's in here. The camera is basically watching as I am discovering, and like any complex piece of equipment, I'm going to have to take the time to get used to it. A lot of paperwork, guarantee stuff and whatnot, the do's and don'ts. Most of us blokes don't like to read things like manuals and stuff like that. But I remember a good friend of mine in Ireland used to turn around to me and say, well, if in doubt, RTFM, read the manual. So, what have we got? We've got, it's all got to be unpeeled and everything. So there, how do I get at this? This is the external case. This is the, wow, that's heavy. That's very heavy. That's the tripod unit, which if I can get it open, I was opening the wrong bit. It's there. It actually has the standard threaded mount there as well, so I can put it on tripod as well if I want. And this actually works as a remote for the camera as well, and it also has a separate item there for a light on top. So in here, Mr. Battery. This is the light that goes on the top. It goes on the top of that unit like the old cameras used to. And if I can get my fingers in here, this is the unit. Your camera must be updated before you can use it. So I'll be doing that first, and we'll go and jump ahead. I'll get all the preparations done, put it all together, and we'll see what it looks like once it's ready to go. So I've just discovered that under here we have the cables, the bolts, other stuff, mounting, and various other things. So again, I'll go over that when I've got it ready to get going up and running. So I had to go back to work. I've been doing a couple of things at work. I've been shopping, got my shopping in, and I've got this, well, sort of, I've got the startup of it sussed out. A lot of it is done through the phone, through app on the phone. A lot of it is controlled through this thing. A lot of it is controlled through the touch screen. And I've got a lot to learn here. But one thing I've noticed already that's absolutely lovely. It's the balance thing in this is just awesome. So I've got a lot of things to go. I've got Saturday tomorrow, and I'm gonna get it all sussed out, what I can and can't do with this, and I'll do my next video over the weekend with it. There's all sorts of stuff, including that light on the top. I'll show more. Yeah, just hang on. I've only got two hands. Alright, so you can turn the light on. You can have direct off of that or dissipated, and it has levels of brightness, which is just, I thought that was the top, but whoa, it can flash and everything. It's just, hold it down to switch it off. That is bright as anything, and that's with the cover on. So yeah, and I can, as it's mounted on its tripod like that, you think it's squint, but it's not. It's it's just going to take a lot of getting used to this microphone, stereo and everything, Dolby quality. Yeah, I've got a bit of learning to do, so I've got the weekend to do it, and as I say, I'll do a whole video on it. And so here we go, and set it up onto the new laptop. Well, newish, it's a couple of months now, but yeah. So that's it, my new toy, a sort of late birthday, early Christmas present for myself.